The Habitat 67, Montreal, Canada. Montreal's Habitat 67, designed by architect Moshe Safdie, remains a groundbreaking experiment in urban living and a lasting model for innovative housing. Built for the 1967 World Expo, this remarkable complex consists of 354 prefabricated concrete boxes stacked in an unconventional manner, forming a collection of interconnected apartments. Safdie aimed to rethink traditional apartment living by providing each unit with access to a private terrace and outdoor space, effectively merging the perks of suburban life with the high density of urban environments. The modular design of Habitat 67 allows for various configurations of apartments, each with a unique layout and view. The seemingly random arrangement of these units creates a visually captivating structure, blending community living with individual privacy. Safdie's pioneering use of prefabrication and modular construction techniques has inspired countless architectural projects globally, influencing how we approach urban design. Habitat 67 is more than just a bold architectural statement. It is a visionary experiment in how cities can accommodate people. Even decades after its construction, it stands as a relevant and influential model for reimagining urban housing. Its innovative design, which balances density with open green spaces, continues to inspire architects and city planners alike, demonstrating the power of architecture to shape the future of urban living.